We'll guide you through how to use your iPhone as a webcam on your Mac. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do as your iPhone is going to have a much better camera than your Mac. So to get started, open up the settings. You need to make sure you're using the same Apple ID account on both devices. And also make sure you've got Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on both devices as well. On an iPhone, you can drown at the top and make sure you got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You're going to open up your settings on a Mac. Next, you want to come down in the iPhone and press General, find AirPlay and Continuity, and make sure you've got the continuity camera switched on. Open the app where you want to use your phone as a webcam, and we need to go and change the source to our phone. So I'll press the arrow at the bottom of this QuickTime recording. You could use FaceTime or whatever, and then go and choose your phone. I'll go and select it like so, and we'll go and notice on our phone it goes and pops up, and as you can see, we're now using it. I can go and flip it and I can position it, and we're now using it as a webcam. You can actually go and get a mount. I'll go and link some down below to Amazon so you can easily mount it to your Mac. That's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.